Here is the best opportunity for all of you. Win a virtual certificate exclusively customized for you by promoting Story World's YouTube channel. Here are the steps to win this prize. 1. Promote our YouTube channel on social media by ways such as making an introductory video. 2. Subscribe to our channel. 3. Promote our videos on YouTube using any advertising tool like Google Ads. This step is optional and not required. 4. Watch our videos regularly. 5. When you have done the following, comment "Done" on this video. 6. Submit your contact details, phone number or preferably email at the following email address: storyworld344@gmail.com for further details. And win a customized virtual certificate. Participate now.